Hey, let's jump right in and see what you'll master in this course. In Chapter 1, we'll dive into everything you need to get up and running with Callipeg software. We'll break it down nice and easy, so you'll be animating like a pro in no time. Next, you will learn a secret weapon, a method for animating any kind of movement. We'll need some awesome references for this, so we'll show you exactly where to find the good stuff and how to use it on your iPad Pro. As a bonus, we've got a special pack filled with fantastic references just for this course. Consider it your personal cheat sheet for epic animation practice. Now let's put the knowledge into action. We'll pick one of those cool references and based on it, together, animate a walking cycle frame by frame. Remember the awesome community at Skillshare? Well, here's your chance to shine. Once you have mastered all the exercises, it's time to send me your project. I'll be there to guide you with personalized feedback to develop your animate step by step. So are you ready to unleash your inner animation rockstar? Join us on this exciting journey and let's create something amazing together.